So we're on our way to go rent an RV. So this is gonna be our first RV trip for us. So this is gonna be an exciting experience. I'm excited to see how this is all gonna turn out. What do you think?
I'm excited to drive it.
Yeah, she's been talking about that for a while, so she's really excited to drive this. What are we getting, Class A?
Class C.
Class C. So getting a Class C to rent, and we're going to the RV park. So stay tuned. So we've been here for about an hour and a half, and so far so good. It's been really chill. It's been relaxing. It kind of reminds me of Florida, even though we're in South Carolina with all the palm trees and stuff like that. Camille's right over here doing the post, so yep, photo about my videos. But so far so good. There's a lot of things around here. So there's actually like a dog park or a dog wash station. They have a fitness court, fitness area. They have tennis courts, basketball courts, a big park for children for them to play at. There's a lot of walking trails that you can go around, and you can rent golf carts if you want to go around and drive around. So there's a lot of things that you could do here just to enjoy yourself. So right now we're just relaxing. We're actually waiting for the kids to come back. They're walking with the grandparents, so we can go make a store run to grab some other, utensils and small things. You know, when you go on vacation, you forget. It's like, okay, let's go grab these things. So aside from that, it's been pretty good. So we're excited about what's in store for the next few days, and we'll see how it goes. We'll take you along with the journey.
Carson, what did we do today?
I stayed in the RV.
You stayed in the RV. Are you so happy? Yeah. You excited to be in the RV? Yeah.
So it's our first night about to sleep in this RV. You can see he's excited. You excited to sleep in the RV?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
It's sweet and RV.
Yeah, all right. Tell everybody good night.
Good night.
Day 1, success. Next step, double check.
Bag.
I can't touch it. I'm dirty now.
It's coming from
the gray water was
the
full.
water exhaust, like the leaking. It says hot water heater exhaust.
Well, hot water's been leaking since yesterday.
Yeah, that's the only thing that was leaking though.
The gray was full. You ready?
Yeah.
You ran that much water, or they already had water in it?
I don't know. It said it was full. So I was like, well,
Yeah, because it's 3/4 full. You're gonna get it all on me, like you already got some.
Net. Pick it up from that.
I'll do an Instagram short.
Yeah.
Look at the puppy.
Hey, he is so cute. I know. RV72@yahoo.com, I think.
Alright, my dear. So, are you sold or are you sold?
I'm sold. Like, it's been legit since we've been here. Like, I had a great time. There's a bunch of stuff to do. Like, you'll see pictures of water parks and basketball courts, and right here next to us is mini golf. So we're just taking a nice leisurely stroll. Yeah, we're just taking a nice leisurely stroll at nighttime, just relaxing, trying to walk the day off because it was a lot that we did today. So
right.
it's
Who would have thought this was camping? I didn't know this was
This
camping.
is glamping. We're not technically nowhere near the woods. So
Well, there's some trees around. That counts, right?
palm trees don't count when they're all on asphalt. So,
Okay, there's gators and swamp water. That's
yeah, we
that's
didn't see no
outdoorsy.
gators.
There's swamp water.
It's definitely swamp water. We didn't see no gators.
All right. I think we're sold. Let's get
Yes.
this plan in motion.
Yes.
I'm exhausted.
We didn't do that much walking. But you did do a lot more walking than I did today, that you took the kids to the swimming pool.
Yes, I think that's what did it. I think it's compounding. So the first day was, up early, traveling here, getting here, grocery shopping, figuring out how everything works, getting to sleep, everybody being so excited that sleep was kind of rough, and it was freezing that night. Yesterday, we were up early because our kids don't believe in sleeping in. So we were up before the sun, but we got a lot done. We took several walks. I think the kids went to the playground more than once. I don't even remember what else we did yesterday. Oh, we went to the outlets, we went shopping. We went to the Camping World and took Carson to go see some campers. He loved that because for the longest he thought that was camping. And then today was his actual birthday, so his grandparents took him to the playground. They took a long walk. I took him to the swimming pool. We had dinner from Chick-fil-A. It was great.
Yeah, they're exhausted. Carson was telling me he wanted to go to sleep.
I know.
I want to eat and go to sleep. I'm ready to go to bed. So I'm like, yeah, you definitely had a lot to do this week or today.
So hopefully when we get back, they'll be asleep. That's my goal. But we figured we'd take a little relaxation here in this bed swing for a second before we get back. Thank you guys.
Bed swing kind of comfy too.
I know. Hopefully we don't fall asleep. Let me stop. Okay, last day on the trip, wrapping it up at Broadway on the beach in Myrtle Beach. Extra nice right now because it's downtime, like not the
Peak season.
What's it called? Yeah.
It's peak season.
It's off season, so we can actually walk through here and see what's here.
Not that many people here at all. Like, we're not bumping into anybody. We just cruising at our own speed. Oh, yeah.
Big trucks on the back.
Yeah. But it's actually been pretty fun. Had a great week. What
I don't
else?
know. Can't wait to do it again.
Yep. So on to the next adventure.